In today's digital age, having a strong online presence isn't just an advantage, it's essential. Whether you're a business, a freelancer, or simply looking to expand your personal brand, mastering the art of social media marketing can open up endless opportunities. With billions of active users on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn, the potential to connect, engage, and grow is right at your fingertips. But why is social media marketing so important? The answer is simple. It's where your audience is. Whether you're targeting Gen Z, millennials, or older demographics, there's a platform they frequent daily. Yet, despite its potential, many businesses and individuals struggle to make an impact. Why? Because social media success requires more than just posting content, it takes strategy, consistency, and creativity. Today, we'll dive deep into how social media marketing can transform your online presence, what challenges you might face, and how to overcome them. 1. Why social media marketing is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. Social media is no longer just about staying in touch with friends or sharing vacation photos. It's become a powerful marketplace where businesses can thrive, creators can monetize their content, and individuals can build thriving communities. Here's why. 1. Massive reach. Platforms like Facebook have over 2.8 billion monthly active users, while Instagram has over 2 billion. 2. Cost-effective advertising. Compared to traditional advertising, social media offers affordable ways to target specific demographics. 3. Engagement and interaction. Unlike traditional media, social media allows two-way communication with your audience. When done right, social media marketing can lead to increased visibility, stronger customer relationships, and higher sales conversions. 2. Common challenges with social media marketing. Despite its benefits, social media marketing comes with hurdles that often trip people up. 1. Content creation woes. How do you create content that stands out in a sea of posts? 1. The answer lies in understanding your audience. 1. Conduct surveys, analyze trends, and pay attention to analytics to craft posts that resonate. 2. Algorithm changes. Social media platforms regularly update their algorithms, making it harder for organic content to reach audiences. 2. To combat this, diversify your strategy by combining organic posts with paid promotions. 3. Measuring ROI. Many struggle to understand the effectiveness of their efforts. 3. Setting clear, trackable goals, e.g., clicks, sales, or follower growth, is key. 3. Tools like Google Analytics and platform-specific insights can help. 3. Steps to boost your social media game. If you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, here are actionable steps you can start today. 1. Define your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or grow your followers? 1. Be specific. 2. Know your audience. Research their interests, behaviors, and preferred platforms. 2. Tools like Meta's Audience Insights or TikTok Analytics can help. 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key to staying relevant. 3. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule posts in advance. 4. Engage with your followers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and foster genuine connections. 4. Social media is social for a reason. 5. Experiment with content types. From reels and carousels to live videos and polls, diversify your content to keep your audience engaged. 4. Real-time case study. My 30-day challenge to put these tips into action. I'm challenging myself to boost my online presence using social media marketing over the next 30 days. I'll share my journey, including the ups, downs, and everything I learn along the way. Here's the plan. 1. Platforms. Focus on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. 2. Content strategy. Post daily with a mix of educational, entertaining, and interactive content. 3. Engagement goals. Respond to every comment and DM. 4. Tracking success. Monitor metrics like follower growth, engagement rates, and website clicks. By documenting this process, I hope to inspire others to take charge of their online presence and show that even small, consistent actions can lead to big results. 5. The ROI of social media marketing. One of the biggest misconceptions is that social media marketing doesn't deliver measurable results. The truth is, when executed correctly, it can provide a significant return on investment. For example, 1. A well-targeted ad campaign on Instagram can drive traffic directly to your website, resulting in immediate sales. 2. Engaging stories or posts can lead to higher customer retention and brand loyalty. 3. A viral video can expand your reach to an entirely new audience. With tools like Facebook Ads Manager and insights from platforms like LinkedIn, you can track every dollar spent and every action taken. Social media marketing is more than just a trend, it's a necessity in today's digital landscape. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, the power to grow your online presence is within your grasp. Follow me on this 30-day journey as I test strategies, share insights, and, hopefully, achieve remarkable results. And if you're ready to level up your social media game, start today. Remember, the best time to begin was yesterday, the second best time is now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Let's conquer social media marketing together.